Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I just wanted to show you what I've done to change the control arm bushings, what they are, and the sort of tools that you will need for this job. There are some great videos on YouTube which certainly have helped me, and I'm going to be putting the links in the description below. Okay, so first, what are control arms? Well, if you look at here, obviously I've taken the wheel off. As you can see here, you've got the strut, which has the shock and also the coils. Two upper control arms, this is the front and rear. And you've got two lower control arms, front and rear. Where they connect to the strut assembly, they've got these, what you call bushings. These bushings are made out of rubber, and the reason why you need rubber is so that they are flexible. However, with rubber, what happens over time is that they can crack. And sometimes it doesn't really affect the ride quality. And the only way to find out is actually by inspecting them. I've decided to change them, mainly because I'm planning to sell this car in the near future. I just want the next owner to not have any issues with this car. So I thought I might just do some preventative work there. So this side I've already installed. I've already changed these bushings and I've pressed them in. Okay, so on the right side, I've removed the strut assembly. Okay, and I just wanted to show you. These are the bushings inside, and for these ones I've actually just pressed them in, and there's a great video on how to do that, and I'll show you in a sec some of the tools I've used, and this one as well. Okay, and so that will then attach onto the strut assembly later on for installation. Now these are the older ones that I pressed out. I'm not sure how clear you can see, but if you look in here, okay, so these holes on the side are normal, but if you look up there, do you see how there's a line there? It's not so obvious, but when the bushing was in, and you could, and when you turn the wheel, you could really see the crack in the rubber. Okay, if you look at these new bushings, of course you've got the holes on the sides there, but up on top there's no damage whatsoever. And these bushings, you can get them, and they come in these little packages. So these are the bushings in the lower control arm where the strut assembly attaches onto. Okay, so these are the main tools I've used. This is a ball joint press and some of these attachments as well. I'll put a link in the description below to show you the kits that I've used for this job.